I got a little minibus here. A little minibus over here, guys. Oh, it's cute. Anyway, we've reached Roppongi station in Tokyo, and we're about to go down and go to the main railway station, the JR Tokyo. And we've got to go and take a subway. Here we are. We take a subway and we go down and get that. Subway train is leaving. Okay, check out. This is Numazu station. It's a subway, and we go underneath, and upstairs there are elevator, but obviously are elevated trains. And the JR station must be here as well, by the way. So I'm going to go and look for that. Well, I'm going to be off on my little rail adventure. Do I know where I'm going? You bet I don't. Oh, this seems to be a circle line of sorts. I think I'm going to go for a ride on this. Boy, is this a busy system, and fascinating. Confusing, bewildering, amazing, exciting. How many more words do you want? So, I'll just grab little bits and pieces during the day. See what I can come up with. Quite amazing. It's a JR station here. Shunning engine. Wow. Track machines, shunning engine. And above that seems to be some express trains.
The next station is Nishikori. The doors on the left side will open. Please change here for the Chiyoda subway lines and the Nikori-Tonari line.
Yep, looks like Shinkansen. Wow. It is a Shinkansen.
次は日暮里、日暮里、お出口は左側です。常磐線、京成線と日暮里舎人ライナーはお乗り換えです。The next station is 日暮里。The doors on the left side will open. 次はうぐいす谷、うぐいす谷。お出口は左側です。The next station is Uguisudani. The doors on the left side will open.
What about that track section here? We're chasing another train. Train place.
The doors on the left side will open. Please change here for the Shinkansen, the Utsunomiya line, the Takasaki line, the Noa line, the Ueno Nocho line, the Ginza subway line, and the Hibiya subway line.
Two trains going out together. And they said Shinkansen, so I thought, wow, I've got to go and look at that. They're racing each other. Amazing. There's third one. There's another one over there. Look at that. JR as well. It's racing out the other way. It's even got 2 double-deck cars in there. Wow, that's something. Wow, I got a JR pass for one day. A little bit complex but cheap. About $7.60. 760 yen, in other words. I don't know what that was worth. So we've got another train going out here. We might as well. And it's got double deckers on it too. I think, yeah, there it is. Oh, there you go. 2 double deckers. This has to be seen to be believed. Oh God, I don't know where I'm going. I'm cutting people off here, man. The crowd, the size of the station, it's almost enough to make you shake. Unbelievable. Whoa, man. I think this is the main station here. This is this is kind of the suburban area of the main station. And I think I'm going to go up and check out the Shinkansen. Here comes the Shinkansen. Over 300 kilometers an hour. Something out of science fiction, some of these things, you know. There it goes. Cost me 140 yen to come out here. The platform, look at this, it's beautiful. That's one of the most modern trains in the world. So, I'm down the platform at the main station, checking out the Shinkansen. Another one coming in. It's like every 2 or 3 minutes there's a train here. It's unbelievable. What is this? I think this is a double-deck Shinkansen. Wow, that's unbelievable. Look at this, will you? Wow, man. Unbelievable. Yep. Double-decker. There's a Japanese father and his kids taking photos in front of the train. Unbelievable, this is amazing. Basically, I just come out of 20, and to view those Shinkansen which are coming every 2 minutes roughly on the 4 platforms. So I now go upstairs and get some sort of local train around the place here. It's quite extraordinary. I'm a little bit confused, I admit, but I got a funny feeling this is not the station that they call JR Tokyo. I think this is actually, we would pronounce it Uno, but I don't see Uno State Tokyo line. I think this is it. But this is a huge and busy station. This is unbelievable. I mean, I just came from platform 20, so how many platforms are in this place? Astounding. And anyway, we're heading off to Mishima and Numazu tomorrow morning, so we'll see how that one goes. This is one of those trains with the double deckers in it. It's a confusing and bewildering situation here. Trains are going everywhere. You wouldn't believe this place. Anyway, here's the double deckers. Fascinating. Forward facing, I don't know, like reclining like seats, I'm not sure what you call it. It's a green car. Maybe they pay more money to ride that. Here goes this train. I'm telling you, it's a huge train. Another double-deck Interurban type train, electric. This is now what they call Tokyo Station, so I guess the one I was at was called Uno. Now, of course, I was joking to Cheryl and Oddie, you know, gotta go to Uno station. Anyway, it is bewildering. What I've noticed in particular, there are rail fans everywhere here. People with cameras taking photos of trains all the time. Most interesting. About ready to go, I think. Just crossed the yellow line. Whoa! Seems to be here a little longer than usual, in other words. Anyway. Some of these trains you can get a kind of a driver's eye view from out there. Clear windows looking forward. There's nothing, it's absolutely nothing to get 15 and 20 car trains here. There's yet another Shinkansen. another local, this, I found out these double deckers do have to pay extra money to ride. Seem to have a real nice appointment about it. Oh, I found a McDonald's, as we call it in Australia, Yuckdonald's, but boy, at least I know what I'm going to get. So I'm going to head in there and spend a bit of cash and get some lunch. I'm out the front of the station. It's a very, very impressive place. And this is basically for the buses and the taxis over here. People spilling out of the station and come down and get buses and have a little roped off lined area for people, and there's one of the buses, and actually a whole series of them coming in here. There's JR as well, the JR bus. Buses. Remember, once you again heading towards our apartment. Delium here is here outside the apartment, and this is my special transport. The apartment we stayed at. This is typically Japanese, all the rubbish under a net here, by the way. And anyway, there's a local bus stop here as well. And this can be more or less viewed in conjunction with the our trip to Japan to see the wedding of Cheryl and Andy. But just looking around the main street that we're on, and I'll get a couple. Primarily concentrate, of course, on trains and buses and whatever I see along the way. Another local bus, and making a stop. And this suburb or location is called Rapunchi. That's interesting. So it says a hybrid non-step bus. Which means probably it's electric and petrol or something, or diesel more likely, and probably battery powered as well. subway station in Tokyo. We're waiting on the train to go down to the gardens. One train going out on the other one. But never mind, that's life. Train. Don't move in front, please. Don't. There it comes. Oh, look at that. Get an acrobat, standing on the guy's feet. There you go. Wow. Wow, there we go. You don't. This is a former 3/6 gauge J&R steam engine on display in the park.
I dare you to scale it. Take a video.
I'm doing it now.
I'll take a video of you scaling it.
Yeah.
Ready?
Oh my gosh.
You hop in the driver's seat. Go on.
Yeah, you won't dare.
Hang out the driver's
I'll be
seat.
on my way to the Tokyo jail.
Where is it? The driver's cabin.
Oh, I don't know why these guys were climbing on this steam engine. Anyway, 3/6 gauge and a little bit of 3/6 gauge I understand is left in Japan, but there's a lot of conversion to standard gauge. Maybe someone can tell me what the exact story is today. We've arrived at Ottawa. Quite an epic journey actually. This train terminates here and it's reclining seats, rotating seats. That long train too. It's going to go back towards Tokyo, but not sure how far. Then we get a train to Numazu, our destination. Quite an epic journey. Never mind, so we're ready to change trains and go down and meet Cheryl. Today is Wednesday the 27th of October 2016. I'm at say it again, Numazu railway station. About 100 miles south of Tokyo. And I'm going to take some trains and buses. There's a bus out of service. There you go. It says in English. And get this, there are occasionally a little word here or there on the desto signs named in English. Actually, looking straight down that street that I see in front of us with the lights red at the moment, you walk. It's about a 9-minute walk to where Cheryl and Andy live. I've arrived in Mishima, and this little multiple unit train is heading off. I guess north of here, I forget the name of the place it's going, but full side seating little train. There it goes. And they have a lot of tracks. This is multiple tracks. They've got a little kiosk, little food stall, let's say. And you've got lots of track machines here and shunting locomotives and whole range of things that are interesting. Maybe I'll get a bit of time here just treat my little 190 yen ticket as like a platform ticket and hang around and take some photos. It's quite a lineup of track machines, shunting engines, a couple of levels here. I'll see one hood up in there and right around, and there's plenty more. It gives me the impression that it's some kind of railway workshops. Buses, Mishima, all lined up here, and I'm still trying to get up to have a look at the Shinkansen, but and take some photos, but it's a little bit difficult. I'm just giving a bit of a quick look around Mishima station. Here we are, JR. There we go. I'm still in Mishima, and Shinkansen line tickets you can buy there. We're buying them at Numazu, and I swing around slowly and I get some local buses here, which I'm not using, but there we go. Quite a busy place, and a big place at that. Comes my train to go to Numazu. One stop, about a 7-minute run. 3-car train. There's a JR freight going by, containers. Back at Numazu, by the way, that freight came through here a moment ago, and just a ride back from Mishima. Comes a local bus in Numazu. We're about to try and ride this Harkone railway. We are actually at Harkone and purchasing tickets to go for a ride on this line. Starting out on the zigzag railway, you can see a really sharp climb already. On this driver's eye view, you might say for a moment. I'm hoping to get a reasonable view of that. Climbing up the grades. Going over a bridge into another tunnel. Train coming the other way, and the grades are really noticeable. This is a very historical line. Here we go, look at that. Platform, very small. That's in the line. No, he's going to do it a zigzag up and climb up. No, but I'll go back and watch. We're heading up another. This is the zigzag we're going up. So you come up there, coming around the corner. Very steep and very windy. I think there's either 2 or 3 zigzags on this line. This is quite extraordinary. There's the driver. He's driving like a tram driver, a motorman. It's amazing. There we go, and there's a level crossing coming up, and a small village, I suppose you'd say, you know. Going up one of the zigzags. And the train is taking a curve, really sharp curve here. One of the many crossing loops. Well, reached the end of the line here, and there's a line car picking up lines. Track machine, and we've got concrete sleepers on it. This is a place called Gora. It's got, they call this the cable car. Now, it's right, it runs end on, let's say, to the railway. I'm hoping to get a shot of one of the cars coming down, but this is a circular view of it, but it's got the end of the track here. I'm not sure whether it's standard gauge, but anyway, that's the station that we came in on the train. We'll go out on again shortly. Here comes one of the little trains. Number 104. I think these date back to the 30s. Two-car set. We've arrived in Harkone. This is a very interesting train. I'm not sure the exact destination of it. It says for Ottawa. And that's on the main line from Tokyo down to Mishima, and of course we went to Numazu. There's the train that we just came in on.